Hey Google, hey Siri.
I guess my Siri impression is working, even when I'm not trying.
She's smart, is it? Let's try it again. Hey Google, hey Siri.
It's an honor to be mistaken for Siri. How can I help?
Not even Siri your name called. Imagine that. What? I'm going to say it slower.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Oh, shit. Hold on, she's listening. Hey Google, hey Siri.
I guess my Siri impression is working, even when I'm not trying.
Yo, how is Siri not hearing her name call? I'm going to try it the other way. Hey Siri, hey Google.
Not exactly, but I offer no resistance to helpful assistance.
Google beat Siri. Oh my gosh, Google can listen better. Siri, you idiot. Google, you're better.